Ngasi Matai Society na sinjaba in partnership with District Mental Health Program and Mariwala Health Initiative. Matai Run for Suicide Prevention Haibani along with an outreach program at Sumum Relief Camp. Ngasi community program si suicide prevention da based tawraga LGBTQ community da mental health challenges amasung suicide issues may suicide attempt issues may am lakse kitang mo ragasu masi se visibilize tawna bu phanawa destigmatize tawna bu phanawa masi se khoi gi marakta ko lo laga tumidna thamjin bagi muhutta masi se khoi mayam gi ba ko stakeholder mayam ama ko policy level gi policy changes ki level da adugumba darkar hoida ba yam important issue ni haina highlight tawjan gi ni baina sinjaba masdai sida manipur da laiba CBO LGBT groups mayam ama yaujari ko atma Marupul Foundation aduga collective trust ko loina na community gi leader community groups ko individual laga ni baina ngasi sa kamina bani moirangi youth thaina semba runners club haina ko moi gi group su yaujari baina punna kamina
ngasi akoina pangthok chariba program se Matai Society ga collaborate tora pangthok chabani ngasi ki program se the two major event pangthok chari je so morning the akoina Matai la focusing on suicide prevention the pangthok chare then the second major event in a outreach program so overall ngasi ki event se akoina focus to we je stigma ma reduce over regarding mental health then increasing awareness regarding mental health and through this outreach camp akoina we are promoting early detection, early treatment, and through this camp we are also providing free medication. And we in future we are also planning to perform such outreach program in all the relief camp which is situated in Bishnupur and also in other areas as well within Bishnupur.